Fitness fam, it's Sean the trainer here, and this evening we're in the kitchen. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to make basic smoothies. Now, smoothies are excellent meal replacements, but you don't have to replace a meal with a smoothie. You can just have a smoothie as a meal. I actually use almond milk as a base with most of my smoothies. We have the almond milk here. I'm going to pour that into the blender. One thing that I always use mostly with all of my smoothies is a banana. Now, bananas are excellent for energy boosts, potassium, they aid digestion, they're high in iron, as well as magnesium, which is good for the skin. Now, you often go to the grocery store and you may pull out these bananas, but these bananas are really the ripe bananas that are really very essential and great for your body. So I'm just going to use an unripe banana as well as a ripe banana because I only have one ripe banana, and I like to use smoothies. I like to use bananas in my smoothies in abundance because they're natural sweeteners. So you don't have to put any sugar in your smoothie. You can just put bananas. Next, we're going to move on to the strawberries. Strawberries are awesome for fiber, as well as lowering blood pressure, antioxidants, and just all around great. Vitamin C, vitamin K. We're going to put that strawberry in. Take the leaves off, or you can just keep the leaves on. It doesn't matter. Next, we're going to move on to our blueberries. Now, blueberry is the king of antioxidant. Once again, the blueberry is great for fiber as well as vitamin K, vitamin C, and magnesium. I'm going to put some blueberries into your blender. This looks great. And what I'm going to add today, Fitness fam, is some cinnamon. Cinnamon is awesome for balancing your blood sugar, as well as calcium, as well as reducing bloating, infections, and it's high in fiber as well. So we're going to put some of this cinnamon. I mean, there's so many great things that you can do when you're making and creating a smoothie. Now, where's my cap? Where's our cap? Take a look. That's beautiful. That looks great. Purple is the color of royalty, right? Pour this smoothie into our glass, our wine glass, because it's definitely a delicacy. It's delicious, it's nutritious, it's sweet. The banana gave it an extra natural sweetener. You didn't have to add any sugar, you didn't even have to add honey or agave. Just put ripe bananas in your smoothie and they'll be perfect. So once again, Fitness family, we're going to be going over multiple demonstrations on how to juice, how to use smoothies, how to steep herbs. This is just the first of many, and as usual, as always, it's Sean. We hope you enjoyed our video. We've got so much more to come in 2020.